Black-collared barbets are common to our area and they start looking for nesting sites over the winter period. So now is the time to make sure your nesting log is attached to your tree and ready for them to browse your nesting site. Black-collared barbets will start breeding from September, so now is the time to get these sites up. We have them available. These are agave cores and they're a softwood and make a fantastic site. Barbets will burrow out a nest and start laying eggs. Find us just 500 meters from the Figtree Centre at 63 Circular Drive in Port Elizabeth.